What's up, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Chaos MOX, and today I would like to clarify that I just received 2 Amber Alerts in Missouri, but however, the footage I'll be showing you is not recorded by me. It was taken, well, not stolen, but it was recorded by my good EAS friend, Thunder Buddy 01, aka Nicholas. He decided that he will let me use his footage. I will credit Nicholas's YouTube channel in the description below. And receiving child abduction emergencies was very interesting, but I can also prove the fact that this is my 100th alert, EAS alert on video during the recording. But besides all that, I want to thank Thunderbuddy01, aka Nicholas, my friend, for letting me use his recording to get these Amber Alerts in Missouri. So yeah, that's just to clarify. All the rights and footage goes to Nicholas. His link to his channel will be in the description below, and I will credit him down below. So Nicholas, thank you so much, and guys, enjoy the video.
The Lee's Summit Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred at 909 Southwest Oldham Parkway, Lee's Summit, Missouri on November 5, 2020 at 5:48 p.m. Abducted was True Y. Armstead Harrison, female, age 1. Suspect vehicle is a black 2010 Dodge Journey bearing Missouri registration TG4J4J. Vehicle/suspect last seen traveling WB Highway 350. Suspect is a black, male. Last seen wearing all black clothing and a white bandana. Victim True Y. Armstead Harrison has sandy brown hair. Last seen wearing a pink coat, black and purple pants, and black shoes. Victim has hair up in a bun. Vehicle was last known to be in the area of the Hy-Vee gas station off of Maple and Highway 350 in Raytown. Suspect stole the vehicle with the child in the rear of the vehicle. There was a white Ford Edge with Missouri registration, JE7F6T, driven by a white female with blonde hair with red streaks was seen in the area at the time of theft. If you see the vehicle or have any information, please contact your local police department or the Lee's Summit Police Department at 816-969-7390. Please call 911 or Lee's Summit Police Department at 816-969-7390 if you have any information pertaining to this alert.
Yo, I just stopped recording. The incoming alert, just still lit up. What is this? If this is the cancellation, I'm gonna laugh.
This is a cancellation of an alert that was issued by Lee's Summit Police Department on November 5, 2020 at 5:48 p.m. Abducted was True Y. Armstead Harrison, female, age 1. Vehicle was located. Child was located safe. No suspect was located.